Hey everyone, this is Sanjay from Tautinka Foodies. With spring in the air, I'm bringing to you this light and wholesome apple bread that's just perfect for the season. Made with oat flour and spiced apples, it's fresh, comforting, and just right for a sunny day. Whether you like to enjoy it with your morning tea or as an afternoon treat, this recipe is simple, delicious, and full of feel-good flavors. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, we'll grate and chop 4 medium-sized apples. Add the chopped apples to a pan. Along with 2 tablespoons of cane sugar or any sweetener of your choice. Give it a stir. Cover the pan. And cook the apples for a few minutes until they turn soft and tender. Once the apples are done, add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix it well. And then turn off the heat. Let the apples cool completely. While the apples are cooling, let's prepare the oat flour. Add some oats to a blender and grind them until fine to make oat flour. And that's ready. Now into a mixing bowl, we'll add 2 eggs, one-fourth cup cane sugar or any sweetener of your choice, and 1/4 cup olive oil or any oil you prefer. Give it a good mix. Next, add 1 1/3 cup of the oat flour we made earlier. One teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, and 1/4 cup plain yogurt. Gently mix everything. Until you get a smooth and creamy batter. Now we'll fold in half of the spiced apples into the batter and mix it one more time. Transfer the batter into a parchment-lined loaf pan and tap the pan a few times to settle the batter. Then, top it up with the remaining apples. Now we'll bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 55 minutes. Once baked, let the bread cool completely. My kitchen is smelling amazing. I'm going to make some tea to enjoy a slice or two. This bread is soft, moist, and packed with the goodness of oats. It's a light, balanced treat that's just perfect for the season. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like to enjoy this spring with a tasty treat, do give this recipe a try and let us know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, the written recipe is in the description below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.